Hey there, this is Rachel. Mark, I've got a question for you. What advice would you give to someone just starting off?
Rachel, that's a great question. In fact, one of the best questions that anybody's ever asked, and I'll tell you why. The morning schedule is the most important part of being an entrepreneur or somebody that works on commission. And I'll tell you why. When you're not on a schedule where if you don't show up, someone's gonna fire you, you've got a lot of flexibility. And it's easy to become complacent when you're just making your own schedule and doing whatever it is that you want to do. So I always tell my salespeople that I don't care what they do throughout the entire day if they nail that morning schedule. That morning schedule is the most important part about being an entrepreneur or being a salesperson, because you've got to use that morning schedule for prospecting for new business. So if you nail that from 8 to 10 or 8 to 11, depending on how aggressive you are or how aggressive your goals are, the longer you spend going after new business, the more money you're going to make. It's that simple. And in today's day and age, there's a lot of different ways to prospect for new business. You can make phone calls, you could text, you can email, social media, whatever your fancy is. But it's critical part of being a salesperson is nailing that morning. I suggest my salespeople, my new salespeople, they spend 2 hours a day. Because if you spend those 2 hours a day going after new business, the rest of the day, the rest of the week, the rest of the month is gonna tell you what to do. Because you're gonna start setting appointments and you're gonna start setting follow-up calls. And then the rest of your day is gonna be dictated by what you did in that morning. So 100% the morning schedule is what's gonna make or break you in this business. If you don't do that, if you get caught up in your deals, if you get caught up in the current transactions that you have, working in the business and just forgetting to go after future business, you're gonna have that roller coaster, that sales roller coaster, where 1 month you're gonna crack 10 deals, and then the next month you're gonna crack 1, or maybe none, because you're so busy working on the deals you had and not going after new business. So in order to stay flatline and consistent, you've got to constantly be going after new business. So that's the best advice I can give you. Thanks again.